Today's and last 2 days updates. DRDO successfully tested 120-kilometer range Minaka rocket pager boost to India's long-range artillery capability. Israel announces peace prize for Donald Trump after Florida talks recognition for diplomatic engagement. Khalida Jia's death marks end of an era in Bangladesh politics. India projected to become world's third largest economy by 2030 driven by growth, consumption and reforms. India foreign policy in 2025 marked by shock and recalibration, strategic adjustment amid global instability. Nepal's Genji uprising gains momentum, youth-led movement hold implication for India. World's moving toward G-2 trade order, declining role of major global powers in trade leadership. Aravali range under severe ecological threat, crucial for climate regulation, groundwater recharge. India Shanti Act opens nuclear power sector. Child marriage remains a challenge despite declining numbers. Andhra Pradesh pushes PPP model in medical education, raises question on affordability and quality. India's rare earth reserve lag in production. Bhutan Sonam Yaski takes historic 8-wicket haul in T21 Slenva cricket achievement. Australia to remove all tariffs on Indian exports. North Korea test fire strategic long-range cruise missile escalate regional security concern. China conducts a military encirclement drill near Taiwan. Heightens cross-strait tension. Iran launches 3 satellites using Russian Soyuz rocket, strengthens space cooperation. Tanvi Tamiri wins women's single at National Badminton Championship, rising Indian badminton talent. Indian launches rupees 7,000 crore scheme for rare earth magnet. PV Sindhu elected chair of BWF Athletes Commission, first Indian in the role. Voxel Grids unveils India's first indigenous MRI scanner. NGT dismisses appeal against Jhansi sand mining clearance. JWST reveals hidden chemistry around young star T Chameleontis insight into planet formation. Lantana camera invention threatens global ecosystem, invasive species harming biodiversity. Brigitte Bardot, French cinema icon, dies at 91. Jayshree Ulal tops Hurun India Rich List 2025 leading Indian businesswomen. Poland plans $2.2 billion anti-drone defense shield focus on modern warfare threats. Rajasthan launches e-Swasth Samvad platforms, improves digital health and consultants. Buddhist site unearthed in Kashmir, Jahanpora adds to region cultural heritage. Clouded leopard sighted at Kakoi Reserve Forest, indicator of healthy forest ecosystem. So these are about last 3 days and today's update.